Let's paint Daniel Smith Rose of Ultramarine Watercolor in 3 values, from light to dark. This first light value watercolor swatch is kind of dusty and dull looking, barely showing up with so much water that I used, but wait until the end of this video when we paint a gorgeous dark value too. And thanks for subscribing. Drop a comment to share what you can imagine being painted with any of these watercolor swatches of Rose of Ultramarine by Daniel Smith, including this medium value sample. Also, can you guess which 2 Daniel Smith watercolors that the company joined together into this purple paint? It's a blend of quinacridone rose and ultramarine blue. So vibrant. Check out the rest of the Daniel Smith watercolor swatching videos in this series, as well as my full-length mixed media art tutorials here at Creative Solace Studios. I'm Kathleen Arola-Johnson, and I'm happy to have you paint with me today.